Today I'm going to show you how to make a C# application that can show you your printer status and updates every second. So this only works for Wi-Fi or wireless printer, or a printer that has a website, so to speak, on your local network. So how you find this out, I'm going to go to my start menu and type in devices and printers under my settings here, and this will be different in Windows 7. Obviously you'll have to go to control panel and then devices and printers. Now you can see here that I have my printer, and if I right click and click properties under web services, we have this web page. So if I click on that, you can see here that I have this, and if I click on it, I get a pop-out window that has this. So what we're going to do, we're just going to copy this address by highlighting and hitting Control and C. Open up Visual Studio, create a new project, and resize our form to what we think will roughly fit. So now we're going to add a web browser and a button. On our web browser, we're going to click on it, get our URL, and paste in the URL we copied before. Next, we're going to change is web browser context menu used or whatever. We're going to change that to false. We're going to go up here, allow navigation to false, allow web browser drop, false. We're going to scroll down, scroll bar is enabled, false. Now we're going to click on our button, change the text to OK, and we're going to resize it until it roughly fits over what I think the OK button is going to be on my website. So now I'm going to start this just to see if it fits. And that looks pretty good. Maybe I could center the button a little bit more. Okay, now we need to get it to update every second. So we're going to drag a timer onto our form. And we're going to click on our timer, change enable to true, and change our interval to 1000, which is 1 second. Now we're going to double click on our timer. So every time it takes, we want web browser 1 dot refresh, left right parenthesis, and then we're going to check it out and see if it works. And you can see every time the waiting cursor comes up, it's refreshing. Now we need to add application.exit to our OK button. Double click on the button and type application.exit, left right parenthesis. Alright. There's one more thing that we need to do yet though, and that is to click on our form and go where it says minimize box, false, and maximize box, false. Now we're going to change our text real quick, printer status. And if you want, you can create an icon in Adobe Photoshop. If you want to do that, you're going to have to go to telegraphics.com/au and slash all this stuff, or you can click on the link in the description, scroll down to whether you're using Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. Depends on your Photoshop version. I'm using 64-bit. Follow the instructions, download it, drag the icon format into your plugins folder for Photoshop, tutorials, or online. Then you just come up to File, New, change it to 256 by 256, hit OK, add a gradient overlay to your liking, create a new layer, add some text. Now you can drag your text to where you want your text to be, and then you can hit Control T, and then you can bring this up and warp it however you would want. Hit OK, and maybe add some drop shadows. Hit OK, go to File, Save As, navigate to your desired folder, click ICO if you have downloaded the plugin, and click Save. Simply go back into Visual Studio, go to your icon, click the little 3 dots, and scroll down to your icon, and now you have an icon. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any video requests, let me know, and please give this a like and comment down below if you have any questions, etc. Thank you for watching.